So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how to do a reporting. Okay, I'm going to assume, okay, this is the first time I'm using that version 2.7. If it is not running, then I will connect to my machine where it was already running and I will show you how it works. Okay. Before going to that, there is a small section remaining. I sent you the video already. How to run MapReduce on MongoDB, correct? For that, you don't need a virtual machine. So first, let us write that and clearly see the steps, okay, of how you are running it. So I'm minimizing the virtual machine because I don't need the virtual machine for running for this MapReduce. So I'm going to go to the local machine. Okay. In the local machine, open a terminal, right? Open a terminal. Make sure your MongoDB is running. If it is running, you can kill it and you can restart it. So let me just check. How will you do that? ps -ax grep mongod, right? So nothing is there, only that grep command is there. That means mongod is not running. So what you need to do is go to the MongoDB directory, right? And go to the bin directory, right? All you know, as usual, we are starting the MongoDB, correct? And then we are going to type what? /mongod, which is the MongoDB server. So leave it running. So MongoDB server is running on the local, right? I am not going to the virtual machine, right? Now, open your Robo 3T that you have downloaded yesterday. Robo 3T or Robo Mongo. Where is it? Oh, is it Studio 3T you downloaded?
Yeah.
Actually, Studio 3T, okay, but it will expire. You may change it to Robo 3T. Okay, you can uninstall and you can install if you want to. Remember that Studio 3T is a licensed version. After 30 days, the license will expire. Whereas Robo 3T is free. Please look again, okay? Because so many things are there, don't get confused. Okay, please look at this. When you type RoboMongo and if you go to that website, right, when you click on download, you are going to see Robo 3T and Studio 3T. Studio 3T is the commercial version. They are giving you 30-day license. Okay, I will just show you. Click download this one and click on this. See, it's a DMG file and click on allow. Okay, so I'm not using the Studio 3T. I'm showing you Robo 3T. Okay, Robo 3T is free. It will not be expired. And once the download is completed, just go to the downloads and click on that. See, that file name is Robo3T. Double click. See, this is how it should look like, right? And then double click on that. So this is the Robo3T, cannot be opened. So what you need to do, go to the security and preferences in Mac. No need to go this step in the Windows, and please make sure that go to the general, click on open anyway and click on open. I agree. See, it is free. All right, click on next. First name Passion Bytes pb at pb.com. Passion, finish. All right, look at that. You got an empty screen which you have seen yesterday, right? Like Studio 3T. This is very convenient. This is the one which you should be using, I think. Okay. And what you need to do, look at this on the top. Create, edit, remove or clone. Click on that create button Okay, this is what Psycho yesterday you did it, right? And in the connection, you can just write, okay, it's a direct connection, and the new connection name, I will give the name as Bhaskar, localhost 27017, click on save and click on connect. And you got your Twitter yesterday, whatever we have downloaded. Remember, I told you in the local it is working, and I showed you that Twitter data was downloaded. So it's working. Correct? All right. So you got databases on the left hand side, which are the collections. You can right click this Bhaskar connection, and you can create a database. Create a database. I'm going to call it as sample. Click create. Look at that. A sample database is created. And now right click. You can create a collection. Let's create a collection as demo. Create. You created a collection now. Demo. And now right click. Insert document. Look, it is showing you an empty window where you can insert the document. What I want you to do is remove these brackets, because I am going to give you a file in which already I put that brackets. And where is that file? Go to your browser, go to 4hoursun.com/passion, find out Shakespeare.json. There will be a file called Shakespeare.json. I think Shakespeare text.json. Yeah, that's a small file. And make sure you are copying that completely. Command A, Command C, or Control A, Control C. Okay, do not miss those curly brackets. That's syntax, right? Come here and Command V and click on save. And once you are going here and double clicking this, you will see the entire Shakespeare drama, some part of Shakespeare drama represented. Look at this. All texts and all the dramas, movies, everything they are now storing as JSON documents. Right? And you see a black part here. That is a place where you are going to type your commands. And now comes the beautiful part. We are going to write a MapReduce on this particular data. How will you do that? Go to 4hoursun.com again. Not 4hoursun.com. I think you can go to yesterday's directory that you have downloaded. Okay. Remember that Mongo Twitter, inside that I have already given you. So I am going to open that empty.tar, right? So I will open another command prompt. Please look at this new window and go to Mongo Twitter. Remember the one which we have created yesterday, and inside this, oh no, it's not there inside this. So let me just go back to 4hoursun.com/passion. Give me a minute. It will be there somewhere. Yes, robomongo.txt. There is a file there, and I'm going to make it big. Okay. First, download that Shakespeare. It is not Shakespeare.json, Shakespeare text.json. Used RoboMongo. RoboMongo was the old name. Which tool we used? Robo3T we used. Inserted the document. Apply MapReduce. And please read and tell me whether you are understanding anything of this. What is it written? Variable mymap equal to. Remember your MapReduce program. In the MapReduce program, how many things are there? A mapper, a reducer, and a driver. Do you remember that?
Yes.
And in the mapper, what did you do? You emit key and value. And in the reduce, what did you do? You have just returned the sum of all these values. And you are telling that apply MapReduce, run this as the map function, this as the reduce function, and create a collection called passion bytes like part-r-0000, which contains my results. No Hadoop, no HDFS, everything within MongoDB MongoDB itself. Understand? That's the concept. So that MapReduce that we studied, you applied it on Hadoop, correct? And all the Hadoop nodes and the name node, data node, all those things. Now what is happening? No Hadoop here, correct? You are applying complete things and all that concepts that you learn. And this is exactly the most powerful and important part of MapReduce or MongoDB. Nobody uses MongoDB in this way. And how fast this collection you couldn't imagine. Why? Because mapper and reducer with all that concepts, parallelism, distribution, everything will work. Right? So what I'm going to do, just to take this particular code, okay, and I'm going to apply all these things into my RoboMongo screen, remember? And the name of the database is demo. Okay, you should be careful whatever database you created. So m8 this.play function equal to this particular one, and I'm going back to the browser. Instead of db.sample, I should be writing db. What is my collection name? Let's see. Okay, the collection name is demo. Collection name is demo. db.demo is the name of the collection. You should be careful when you are copying. Make sure that you're copying in the, otherwise again you will get an error. So what is the meaning of this? Created a function called map, created a function called reduce, applied that MapReduce onto my particular document called a demo, and I told that, okay, run this and create the output in passion bytes, which is a collection. And look at the left hand side. Is there any collection named passion bytes now? No. So let's do one thing. Execute this particular one, and I'm going to run this code. Where is to run? Is the run? Execute.
So in MongoDB, they included all those libraries.
Absolutely. So here there is a green button. I am going to execute it, and I am going to refresh this Bhaskar, and look what is happening. What happened? And now double click the passion bytes. This is the result of your MapReduce. For each play, it counted the total number of lines and gave you the result. So irrespective of the platform, tomorrow you are going to learn Spark. What you will do? MapReduce. So MapReduce is a general concept. Are you understanding now the whole picture? You can now apply MapReduce onto that. So for your reporting, for your analytics and all, what he told yesterday, using that no booster tools and all those things, what they are doing? Simple queries. No. You should apply aggregations. You should apply the rules onto this. And that's the power of MongoDB. Clear? So I'll just pause this. I want you must do this. Okay, this is the most important part. All these days I was teaching you MongoDB for this only. Because how you use, otherwise what is the need of teaching MongoDB? It's not related with big data, right? Wanted to show you how the big data, how it is working. So what I'll do is take this one and option. Time player.
Can we get the data from SQL, Oracle, and other?
Yes, I will show you, Lakshmi, a little bit later. Okay, how to bring the data. That is where you use Scoop. Okay. Yes, absolutely. Wait. How did I pause? Anybody remember yesterday? I know it is option, but that window is not coming. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll just stop this